What's up, guys? I'm Tyler from the Noob Corner, and thanks for joining us from CrazyAwesomeSauce.com. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace RAM in a laptop. And today's model that we're dealing with is a Dell Latitude D620, right here. So most laptops, including this one, have two different places for RAM, which are called two DIMM slots. So first one isn't actually easiest one to find is right underneath the laptop, right here. So what you're going to need for this demonstration would be a small Phillips and also a small flathead, I would suggest. So we got this, Phillips, and flathead. So let's begin. First we're going to open this one up like so. So as you can see, there's one in this DIMM slot. And there's usually two little levers to undo that and pull it out, as you can see. So we'll go ahead and replace that. And it pops right in. And the second DIMM slot is located right underneath the keyboard. So what we need to do first is loosen up these two sides. There's a little thing right there that you need to open. Just pry it open with the Phillips. And it should pop off. Gently get under there. Loosen that one up. And this piece comes right off. And then there are just 3 screws here, here, and right there. Make sure you don't lose the screws, they're really small. So now I use the Phillips and it pops right off. You can see the RAM DIMM slot right in there. And that one also just pops out after you release the 2 levers. There it is. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. It should click right in. And you just put the keyboard, slide it back in. And it clicks in nice. And then you just replace the screws. And this, make sure you got the corners in it. Here, right, back on. Just like that. And that is how you replace RAM in a laptop. And there's a lot of different models, but this is a very popular, business kind of laptop. So there's a lot out there, and it's older model, but most of them are about the same. So hope you enjoyed, and I hope that helped. And thanks for joining us on the Noob Corner with me, Tyler. And yeah, thanks for checking out CrazyAwesomeSauce.com.